In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the live chat widget in GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen as I explain. By the end, you'll have a fully configured chat widget ready to go on your site or funnel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to the Launchpad in your agency view. This is your main starting point inside the platform, where you can access the core tools you use to manage locations, funnels, and communication. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you actually want to install the chat widget, so you're not editing the wrong place by mistake. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the menu option called Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where GoHighLevel groups everything related to your websites, funnels, and online presence. The live chat widget lives here because you'll be embedding it into those pages. Inside the Sites area, you'll see additional options. Find and click on Chat Widget. This will open the dedicated section where all of your chat widgets are created and managed. If this is your first time here, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, to create a new widget, click on the New button. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to set up a fresh chat experience, rather than editing an existing one. Clicking New will bring up options for the kind of chat you want to set up. Next, you'll be asked to select the type of chat. Depending on your setup, you might have options like a standard website widget or other variations. Choose the option that best matches how you plan to use it on your site. Think about where it will show up and what kind of conversations you expect to have with visitors. After you've selected the chat type, you'll be taken into the builder. This is where you actually design and configure your widget. You'll see tabs that let you move between different views, such as the style, the chat window, and the messaging. Take your time here. In the Style tab, adjust colors, positioning, and overall look so it matches your brand. In the chat window section, you can shape how the widget appears when it's open, including the header text and any images or logos. Then, in the messaging area, customize the initial greeting, placeholder text, and any automated messages. Make sure the language feels natural, friendly, and aligned with your brand voice. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, the final step is to click on Save. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, you'll lose your changes. Once you hit Save, your live chat widget configuration is stored and ready to be used across your sites and funnels inside GoHighLevel. And that's it. You've now installed and configured the live chat widget in GoHighLevel, and you're ready to